Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to comment GIFs on posts and reels. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So commenting GIFs on posts and reels is one of the fun way of interacting. So if you want to learn how to post these, all you gotta do is simply open your Instagram. Now you can simply go to any of the reels or like any of the posts that you wanna comment GIFs into. So once you have found this, tap on the comment section, and here you can find the option like sticker. Simply tap on it, and now you can tap on GIF. Now you can search any GIF and simply hit the send button, and you will be able to simply comment that particular GIF on that particular post or reel. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.